Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. You've heard the saying, just eat blueberries, they're a superfood. But is that the whole story? What if I told you that while blueberries are packed with powerful nutrients, there's a lot more you should know before tossing them into your morning oatmeal? Especially if you're over 50, there are a few surprising facts that might change how and how often you eat them. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and natural plant compounds that have been linked to better brain health and a lower risk of chronic disease. But here's the thing, no single food is perfect for everyone. Today, we'll explore the less talked about considerations for eating blueberries, while still celebrating all the incredible ways they can support your health. Number 1. Nutrient profile. 1 cup of blueberries, about a handful, gives you just 80 calories, 4 grams of fiber, 24% of your daily vitamin C, 36% of your daily vitamin K, and more antioxidants than almost any other fruit. Those antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, are what give blueberries their deep blue color, and they're linked to reducing oxidative stress, a big factor in aging and disease. Number 2. Heart and brain health benefits. Blueberries have been studied for their ability to help keep the brain sharp as we age. Research from Harvard University followed over 16,000 older adults and found that those who ate blueberries regularly delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. They may also help lower LDL cholesterol, improve blood vessel function, and reduce blood pressure. 3 major wins for your heart. In fact, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that eating 1 cup of blueberries daily for 6 months improved blood vessel function in middle-aged and older adults at risk for heart disease. Number 3. Blood sugar friendliness. Blueberries taste sweet, but they're surprisingly blood sugar friendly. Thanks to their fiber and low glycemic index, they don't spike blood sugar the way many fruits do. That makes them a smart choice for people managing prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, as long as you watch portions and avoid adding extra sugar. Number 4. Gut health connection. Here's something you might not know. Blueberries feed the good bacteria in your gut. The polyphenols in blueberries act as prebiotics, encouraging the growth of beneficial microbes that help with digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. A healthy gut is especially important as we get older because it impacts everything from nutrient absorption to inflammation levels. Number 5. When to go fresh, frozen, or dried. Fresh blueberries are fantastic, but frozen blueberries are just as nutritious, sometimes even better because they're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen. Dried blueberries, on the other hand, can pack in added sugar, up to 18 grams per serving. So always check the label if you're watching your sugar intake. Number 6. Pesticide awareness. 1 practical tip. Blueberries often make the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list for pesticide residues. If budget allows, buying organic blueberries can help reduce your exposure, especially if you eat them often. Number 7. The portion sweet spot. For most healthy adults, about half to 1 cup of blueberries per day is a great range. That's enough to get the benefits without overdoing sugar or calories. Conclusion and motivation. So here's the takeaway. Blueberries are one of nature's most powerful foods, but like anything, they work best as part of a balanced, varied diet. You now know they're packed with antioxidants that protect your brain and heart. They support gut health. Fresh or frozen is best. Watch dried for added sugar. Buying organic can reduce pesticide exposure. A cup a day is plenty for most people. Nutrition isn't about one magic food. It's about patterns. So keep blueberries in your rotation, enjoy them mindfully, and pair them with other colorful fruits and vegetables for the biggest health payoff. Because when it comes to aging well, it's not just about living longer. It's about living better. And that's something worth eating for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community at Healthcare Bites for You for more simple, powerful health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.